Hi guys, this is Motoroli TV again. So for this video guys, papakita ko sa inyo ang ating galawan ngayong araw guys. So natapos ko nang mag pre-delivery inspection guys sa ating Honda Click 125. So ayan, papakita ko sa inyo at ating iikutan. Open back camera. So yun, no. Ayan guys, Honda Click 125 Special Edition. So ayan, naka matte red. Ayun mga kamoto, ikutan natin. Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot. Honda Click 125 Special Edition. Yun, no. So open natin ang U-box. U-box seat. Ayan, seat, then seat. Okay. Ito yung kanyang manual guys. Ayan. Ito yung code ACB 125BF. Tsaka Phillips screw. Double sided Phillips screw. Star screw. Ayan. At saka spark plug wrench. So yan lang yung mga available tools guys. Basic tools. Ayan. So napakagandang spoiler or grab bar. Yun, no? Then ating i-ignition on. Yan. And switch on. Start. Okay. So kilometer is 0. So, bagong bago, fresh from the planta. Yun, no. Honda Click 125 version 3 2024 model. So yun lang guys mga kamoto. Sana'y nakatulong ng araw sa lahat. Ride safe everyone. Peace out. Bye bye.